Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the case and AirPods to at least half, and make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled. Open Settings to see the AirPods listed, then put both AirPods in the case and close the lid for 30 seconds. This secures a fresh starting state. Once done, open the lid and hold the case near your iPhone so the device can detect the pair. Make sure to note any custom settings you want to restore later. With the lid open and AirPods inside, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case. Keep holding for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Doing this clears the internal pairing and resets network profiles, so the earbuds forget old devices. After the white flash, close the lid, reopen it, and bring the case close to your iPhone. Follow the on-screen pairing animation to reconnect. This step restores factory defaults while allowing you to repair cleanly. After pairing, immediately test playback, microphone, and spatial audio to confirm functionality. Check left and right channels and call quality. If they don't connect, make sure Bluetooth is toggled off and on, restart your iPhone, then try pairing again. This often clears caching glitches. If problems persist, update your iPhone to the latest iOS, repeat the reset, and try another device to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.